People always talk about vision boards, mood boards, goal boards, etc. Pero gumagana nga ba yung mga yan? I've always been very curious about a lot of things, pero isa sa mga tanong ko sa buhay is, ano nga ba yung science behind vision boards? Or meron nga bang science behind it? Hello lovely and welcome back. Oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. And if you are new here, I am Rizza and I talk about business, my imperfect zero waste life, and everything self-care. It's been a while since my last update. Sobrang na-miss ko kayo, friends. I think it's about a month since my last upload. And eto na, babawi na ako sa inyo. Life has been lifing and actually mas active ako ngayon sa IG and sa TikTok. So if hindi ka pa naka-follow dyan, I hope you can consider following me there also. Hindi ako maka-keep up sa uploads ko sa YouTube lately, but that's okay. We are giving ourselves grace like we always should. Marami naman akong film na day in the life content, so abangan nyo rin yan. Anyway, let's go back to the video. Okay, for this video, we have 3 parts. First part is yung connection ng vision boarding sa science. Yung next part naman is how I actually do my own vision boards. And number 3 is I'll give you a tour of my vision board for 2024. I know, ang late na nito, mid-Feb na Riz, ano na. But I have really been taking things slow. I've been easing slowly into 2024 because mine 2023 was rough. Ako lang ba? If kayo rin, if ang 2023 nyo isn't giving, let me know in the comments below. Okay, vision boards. I started mine when I was around high school kasi kasama siya sa activity sa school. But nung stinart ko talaga siya gawin, I realized kapag talaga nilalagay ko siya sa vision board ko, merong mga bagay na natutupad and syempre meron ding mga hindi natutupad. Now, let's go to the first part of the video. Kung meron nga ba talagang connection ang vision boarding sa science? Friends, I am neither an expert nor a scientist. But I've always been very curious kung ano nga ba talagang connection ng vision board sa science. Kasi parang nung umpisa, nung hindi pa talaga ako as in nag-vision board every year, parang I felt like it was woo, alam mo yung woo-woo, parang, hindi naman yan totoo. Activity lang yan sa school. Eme lang yan. But I found out that it's actually rooted in neuroscience. Meron akong 3 theory na nakita ng connection ng vision boarding sa science. Theory number 1 is sabi ni Dr. Tara Swart, neuroscientist siya. Sabi niya that looking at images on a vision board primes the brain to grasp opportunities that may otherwise go unnoticed. Kasi yung brain daw natin has a process called value tagging na nag-i-imprint ng important things in our brain and sa subconscious natin that filters out the others. So if meron kang vision board na lagi mong nakikita, could be on your wall, on your phone, on your desktop, napaprime yung subconscious mo na, shocks, gusto ko tong marating. Second is the self-efficacy theory. With the self-efficacy theory proposed by psychologist Albert Bandura, it states that individuals who believe in their ability to achieve a goal are more likely to do so. So the more na nakikita mo yung vision board mo with your goals, it enhances our self-efficacy. And it reminds us of our capabilities and aspirations. And it really just reminds us of our goals, yung mga pangarap natin, yung mga gusto nating marating sa buhay. Third concept is the RAS or the Reticular Activating System. Yung RAS naman is a network of neurons located in the brainstem that helps focus attention. So when you consistently see images related to your goals, the RAS prioritizes this information, making you more aware of opportunities and resources related to your aspirations. So nangyari na ba sa inyo, kunwari, meron kayong gustong bagay, nasa goal board or vision board mo, kunwari, white alphard. Tapos, yung white alphard, titignan mo siya online, magbabasa ka ng reviews, manonood ka ng videos about it. Tapos, the more napapanoorin mo siya, manonood ka ng reviews, etc. Pag lalabas ka or pag nasa daan ka, biglang ang dami mong makikita na white alphard. And that's because your brain tells you to filter out other information and focus on that thing. In this case, it's a white alphard. So yes, vision boards is indeed connected to science, and it just really lets you visualize your success. So the more na tumitingin ka sa vision board mo, you get really immersed in a world na, okay, ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve. As in legit pala talaga yung the lulo is the solulo. And this also helps create a positive and powerful image in our brains. And with that, matitrain natin yung utak natin to really believe na, shocks, I can do this, I can have this, I will achieve this. Now, on to the next part, kung paano ka ba talaga gagawa ng vision board. Number 1 is to look at your plans for the year. If you have a list, you can start with that. Pero if curious din kayo kung paano ko ginagawa yung 2024 plans ko and my systems around it, I actually have an entire video about that. I'll put it in the cards and sa description below. Okay, now that you have a list, you can get either a magazine. It could be an actual magazine. Dati ganun ako kasi marami akong magazines. Pero ngayon kasi wala na. So, I do everything digitally. So, what I do is I go to Pinterest. I just search kung ano yung mga images na nag-align dun sa plans and goals ko for 2024. Tapos, gagawa ako ng bagong Pinterest board. And then next, gagawin ko siyang parang collage. Ako, I do it in Canva because it's so easy. Pero if mas in-depth ka with editing, you can use your own editing software. Could be Photoshop or kung anong ginagamit mong software. And then, kapag nagawa mo na siyang collage, I put it everywhere. I put it on my phone, on my laptop, on my desktop, iPad, as in sa lahat ng mga pwede kong paglagyan na gadgets na lagi kong hawak, I put it there para lagi ko siyang makikita. Meron din ako nakaprint dito sa wall sa studio para kapag nagtatype ako, makikita ko pa rin siya. Ganon. And actually, ganun siya. Ganun lang siya. Easy peasy. But before I head on to the third part of this video, before ko kayo i-tour sa vision board ko for 2024, if you are getting value from this video, it would really mean a lot to me if you comment, like, or maybe you can also consider subscribing so we can continue churning out valuable content for you guys. Now, on to the third part of this video, let me go ahead and walk you through my vision board for 2024. So, this is how our vision board looks like. So, ayan, ang ating theme for 2024 is Thrive. So, nilagay ko lang dyan front and center yung word natin for 2024, Thrive 2024. And then I also have affirmations here. Money flows to me from all directions. Rise, thrive, and shine. Tsaka I am rich in all areas of my life. Per slay. So, dito sa first part, I wanna show you, let's go clockwise, okay? So, dito, this is about leadership. So, gusto kong mas maging better leader sa team ko. Have fruitful meetings, being able to guide them, and be greater leaders. Tapos, dito naman, of course, bilang alipin ng salapi. Charot. Ayan. So, here, I'm just putting a visual representation of money and an affirmation here that says, money flows to me from all directions. Tapos, data. Ayan. I love business, I love marketing, I love branding, etc. But one of my weaknesses, admittedly, is data and accounting. So for 2024, gusto ko talagang mas maging financially fit in terms of the company finances. So for me to be able to do that, I need to be able to read data analytics, as in the deep dive of things. I actually hired professionals to teach me how to do these things. Although meron naman ang gumagawa nito for me, but I really want to delve deeper into that. So, ayan, data, accounting, ayan, I've been teaching myself business and e-commerce accounting lately. Tsaka kasi, I really want to know the ins and outs, the cash flows, income statements, all of those things. Kasi it really constantly evolves also. So, gusto ko rin talaga siyang matutunan. So, here is an affirmation again. I am rich in all areas of my life because we just don't want to be rich financially. We also want to be rich with our health, relationships, and yes, we want to be rich holistically. And of course, ito, meron tayong pa-abs dahil gusto ko na ulit mabalik ang abs natin. My God, miss na miss ko na siya. Although I have been very constant with my workout, consistent with my workout with Miss O, gusto ko na rin talagang disiplinahin ang sarili ko para mailabas na natin ulit ang abs. Tapos dito, ito nakalagay lang here na okay, Riz, magluto ka ng sarili mong food. Kasi one of my limiting beliefs for myself is yung hindi ako marunong magluto, nakakatamad magluto, etc. But for 2024, I decided that I will be preparing my food. I stopped doing the meal plans already kasi gusto ko rin turuan yung sarili kong magluto at mag-prepare ng sarili kong pagkain. So there we go. And then here, of course, are workout bums or butts yan. Gusto ko pa rin talaga yan mangyari fitness-wise. Tapos ito, ayan, ito yung goal na hindi ko pa nagagawa nung 2023. So, I am doing a day 1 again for my split drills kasi gusto ko pa rin talagang makapag-split for 2024. Next naman is etong photo na to, parang nasa beach side yan or pool. And gusto ko pa rin mag-travel, be away, maybe locally and internationally while working because you guys know that I really love working. And ayan, for me to be able to have that kind of lifestyle. And dito, of course, I still want to have great relationships with my husband, si Josh. And ayan, healthy Bagnet and healthy Josh. And next is, this is the biggest project for 2024, yung pagtapos ng Sea Cove Suites Calatagan. So guys, if you don't know that yet, we are building a 10-room hostel sa Calatagan, Batangas. So ito yun, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So I'm really manifesting na matapos siya on time para ma-enjoy nyo rin siya very, very soon and on time. As ito, I will still continue reading my Kindle by the beach. Ayan, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng mga local trips na ito lang, favorite ko siyang ginagawa, magbasa by the beach. Ayan, so yan siya. And then here, I have 2 images of Japan kasi gusto ko talagang makapag-Japan for 2024. Hopefully, I will be attending a beauty conference around September. So, hopefully, makapunta talaga kami ng Japan by then. Tapos, ayan, wala. Side mirror road trip lang. Ganun. And last but not the least for 2024, gusto kong ma-achieve at mag-organize ng tree planting event. Di ko pa alam kung kailan, di ko pa alam kung saan. But if you guys have leads, please let me know in the comments kung meron kayong kilala or if you're connected sa organization that does tree planting. So, I really want to do that. So, there you go. It's super duper simple. My vision board is very, very simple. Para din, hindi sobrang cluttered ng dami-daming goals. Tas, hindi ko siya mapagtutuunan ng pansin. Hindi ko siya mabibigyan ng energy and oras. So, there you go. If you guys like this video, you'll probably like the video where I talk about my plans for 2024. Yun din yung na-mention ko kanina. Again, I'll put it in the cards and in the description box below. And friends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok while you're at it. Thank you again so much for being with me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!